how to use Qwen3-Coder. There's two main websites to use it. There's the chat.qwen.ai. Link will be in the description. Here you can use Qwen3, just make sure you have selected the Qwen3-Coder. So here you can type your prompt. Make me a snake game on the web. So now it's making the game. Okay, now it's done. Try out this code. Just gonna download in here. Here's the game. Looks like it works properly. Okay. There's a pause and a restart. Now you can also use Qwen3-Coder on this website. It offers it for free, so just click on chat. And then here you can type your prompt. I'll also put the link in the description. Now this one is slower, so I would definitely go with the original website for the Qwen3-Coder. It's much faster and I get better experience with it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.